Hi, welcome to Ruby Bridges Day. Good morning. Good morning, Marco.
Hundreds of students showed up
Yep, grab a hat.
and geared up
Grab stickers and then a pennant.
in honor of Ruby Bridges.
When she was 6 years old, they accepted her in an all-white school for kids.
At 6 years old, her bravery in attending an all-white school under hostility helped pave the way for desegregation and civil rights.
Brave like Ruby.
Step by step,
I keep it cool.
hundreds of students at Commodore School and 17 other SUSD schools honored Ruby Bridges.
This is Ruby Bridges Walk to School Day. It was an initiative that was started in San Francisco for Ruby Bridges, and it's become a nationwide event. And we have brought it here to Commodore, and I'm really excited about it.
When we're talking about Ruby Bridges Walk to School Day, it's really about talking about community, showing that unification, showing that we are a unified and cohesive group of people that really celebrate diversity, celebrate the accomplishments of the people before us.
That's just what it's all about, is just being brave like Ruby Bridges. We want to honor her legacy as a living legend, and just knowing that coming together and having unity is what's most important.
I think that's pretty brave of her, and she's strong for that.
The students wearing purple, wearing pride, walking in unity.
It's just so exciting to see.
In Stockton, Melinda Meza
We can walk like how Ruby Bridges did.
for the Stockton Unified School District.